If you're thinking about buying from Kogtour.com, stop scrolling because in this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know before spending a single dollar. Is it a hidden gem or another risky online store? Let's find out. So, Kogtour.com is a brand new online store, and right now, it's selling just one item, the Wild Instinct reversible leopard print hoodie priced at $35. At first glance, the website looks clean and modern, but once you dig deeper, things start to get questionable. One of the biggest red flags is the lack of transparency. There's no contact number, no business address, and no clear details about who owns the store or where orders are actually shipping from. On top of that, the domain itself was only registered in July 2025, meaning the store is extremely new, so there's no long-term track record to rely on. Their terms of service also raise eyebrows. They state that Kogtour can cancel or limit your order, change prices even after you've added something to your cart, and they shift responsibility for lost or delayed packages onto the buyer. And if anything goes wrong, the maximum refund you can get is simply the amount you paid, offering very limited protection. But here's where things get even more interesting. The exact same hoodie design appears on AliExpress for under $10, meaning Kogtour is marking it up by over 300%. This strongly suggests the product is mass-produced rather than a unique or premium item. And finally, there are no verified customer reviews anywhere, not on the website, not on third-party platforms, so it's impossible to confirm the quality of the hoodie or the reliability of the service. So is Kogtour.com a scam or legit? Well, while it may not necessarily be a confirmed scam, the high markup, lack of transparency, strict policies, and complete absence of reviews make it a high-risk purchase. If you're looking for value and security, you may want to proceed with extreme caution or check out more established alternatives. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest online store reviews, and drop a comment if you want me to investigate another website. Stay safe when shopping online, and I'll see you in the next one.